Welcome to Awesome Life with Awesome Vibes. I'm your host, Aatmn Parmar. Today, we are diving deep into something often overlooked but immensely powerful. That is sacred stillness. This episode is an invitation to slow down, trust divine timing, and reconnect with the rhythm of your soul. We are conditioned to hustle, to keep moving, to measure our worth by output. But what if the pause isn't an interruption to your progress, but the most aligned step forward? Let's talk about why we resist stillness. Often, that resistance stems from fear of missing out, fear of stagnation, fear of facing ourselves. But beyond that fear lies a powerful opportunity for reconnection. In my own journey, each decade has offered me a sacred pause, a time when life didn't push me forward but pulled me inward. And each time I returned more aligned and renewed. Radical Multichakra Insights was born during one such pause and refined during a profound retreat in the mountains of Dharamshala. That's when I began trusting the power of pauses more than pushes. I have authored books during these sacred gaps. I recall being in Singapore, scheduled to meet several people for healing guidance and sessions. Suddenly, every appointment got cancelled. Instead of wondering why me, I asked, what now? That same week, during the travel circuit through Singapore and Bangkok, I wrote my first book, The Eternal Love Story, in just 7 days. This was over 20 years ago. That wasn't the only time life paused for me for deeper work. Again and again, I found breakthroughs within breakdowns. You don't have to wait for a life crisis or career break. You can pause between your inhalation and exhalation, pause between two projects, pause between two meetings. You don't need to travel abroad or retreat to the mountains. You can pause right where you are. Once I hired a consultant to revamp my organization. He noticed I was immersed in mundane, unnecessary tasks. He slowly weaned me off these roles, and he also ensured that the team could take over ownership. Initially, I felt vulnerable, but soon I witnessed transformation. He said something profound. He said, I want you to feel redundant. I want you to feel the vacuum. Only in the void can you create something truly magnificent and meaningful. His name is Shreyas Trivedi. And if you're listening, Shreyas, I want to thank you. Thank you for helping me and the Radical team evolve. So, if life feels paused or stagnated, don't waste time fighting it. Don't cloud your space with emotional turbulence. Instead, welcome the pause and use it to build the next version of you. There are three reasons why people resist a pause: fear of feeling redundant, fear of facing the self, and fear of missing out. Let's see the radical way to embrace the pause. 1. What you resist persists. If you're in a season of stagnation, stop fighting it. 2. Clear your emotional clouds. These clouds obscure the hidden gifts in front of you. Sometimes what looks like trash holds a treasure. Focus on the brilliance and possibilities instead of replaying hurt, revenge, or regret. Ask, what's in this for me? The answer will often lead you to deep gratitude and unexpected blessings. Now, I'm going to give you some practical tips for creating your pause ritual. Start small. Pause between breaths, between tasks, between thoughts. Use radical affirmations to empty your mind and restore your calm. Let creative sparks rise. Take a guilt-free day off. Do nothing. Just be. If you can, retreat into nature. Go to the ocean, the forest, or the mountains, places of high vibrations. You can also join me at the Spiritual Staycation Dharamshala. We've curated affordable retreats to help you pause and retreat your life. A pause can be the beginning of your progress. You are not behind. You are being prepared. And in stillness, you are becoming. Let me now recite a few radical statements to help you settle into stillness, where the compulsive stream of thoughts fades and your true creativity shines. To learn how to design personalized clearing statements, join the Spiritual Solution online curriculum. To rewire your mindset and energy, you may join the Power Steps workshops available online as well as on site. Now, recite with me or after me. I solve my restlessness. I dissolve my restlessness. I resolve my restlessness. I co-solve my restlessness. I supersolve my restlessness. I awaken stillness. I awaken I awaken still and peaceful me. I solve my fears and insecurities. I dissolve my fears and insecurities. I resolve my fears and insecurities. I co-solve my fears and insecurities. I supersolve my fears and insecurities. I awaken courage to be still. I awaken courageously still and peaceful me. I solve my compulsion to be busy. I dissolve my compulsion to be busy. I resolve my compulsion to be busy. I co-solve my compulsion to be busy. I supersolve my compulsion to be busy. I awaken liberation to be still. I awaken liberated and still me. I solve my fear of facing the truth. I dissolve my fear of facing the truth. I resolve my fear of facing the truth. I solve my fear of facing the truth. I dissolve my fear of facing the truth. I resolve my fear of facing the truth. I co-solve my fear of facing the truth. I supersolve my fear of facing the truth. I awaken the courage to be truthful. I awaken courageously truthful me. I solve my social beliefs. I dissolve my social beliefs. I resolve my social beliefs. I co-solve my social beliefs. I supersolve my social beliefs. I awaken the truth. I awaken the truthful me. Keep reciting and stay tuned. Take a pause and be still for some time.